Hello PICU friends, we are going to review how to do a CVL blood draw today. Make sure you have all of the listed supplies and we can get started. Clean your hands and grab a new pair of gloves is always the first step. Next, we are actually going to assemble the part that we will get our blood from. So you need to open that double stopcock, attach your 2 ml syringes with the blue prongs, and your flush will go in the back part. Make sure not to get the air bubble out of the flush just yet. We will be doing that at a later time. The only part that you should not touch at this time is the part that will attach to your patient's central line. Next, we want to remove the current infusing line that is attached to the central line. So you can see that the demonstrator here is placing a red cap on that line, and she also clamped the central line to not allow anything to come out of it at this time. We want to free our central line of any infusing lines at this time. She next is cleaning with the CHG swab. You should clean for 25 seconds and allow a dry time of 25 seconds as well. After this, you will place your stopcock setup on your central line port. And once you do that, we are ready to draw both our waste and our sample. You will collect the waste with the syringe that is closest to you. I like to remember this with dirty equals distal. So that distal syringe is your dirty or your waste blood. Once you get enough, you will close that stopcock off and open the stopcock to obtain your sample. After you obtain your sample, you can close that stopcock off, reopen the waste stopcock, and give that waste back to your patient nice and slowly. Close that stopcock back off. Pick up your entire stopcock set. Pull back on the flush to remove that air bubble or that air that could have, been kept in that blue cap, and then you can flush the line. Make sure to clamp anytime there is nothing attached to that central line. So right now your line should be clamped. You'll take off the red cap, reattach that primary infusing line, unclamp, and then you can rerun anything that was previously running. You can see here that the demonstrator is sending lab, so she is taking her sample, putting it in the tube. At this point, she will attach any labels to that tube, put it in the lab bag, and then it is safe to send down.